Hey guys, so today we are doing B.9. So I'm just going to go on my Google Classroom, click on the one, and it's going to bring up IXL. Once again, randomly generated, so they're going to be different problems, but how you solve them is still all the same. So this is choosing numbers with a particular sum. So that we know that sum means the answer when you add. So this one, it gives you your total, so 132, but we're missing the two numbers that equal 132. So we have 4 plus 6, which equals 10. 4 plus 55, which is still not close, it's 59. So we have to figure out which of those 4 numbers would work together. So I'm going to pick 55 and 77. Now, I'm thinking that's right, just based on those numbers that I'm seeing, but I'm going to do the math to double check. So I have 55 plus 77. 5 plus 7 is 12, right? The 2 carry the 1. 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 1 is 13, 132. So it checks out. So now I'm going to write in 55 in the first box and 77 in the second box. But it could be any combination of those two numbers, or those 4 numbers. Okay, so these are combinations that have a sum of 5. So we know out of these, we can eliminate 25 because that's way more than 5. If I add anything to it, it's going to get bigger. So I have 1, 3, 4. Well, 1 plus 3 is not enough. 3 plus 4 is not enough, so it can't be 3, but 1 plus 4 is 5. So I'm going to write 1 and 4. All it is like a puzzle that's missing some of the numbers. So this one I have 1, 8, 32, and 84. I want to know what equals 9. Obviously, we can cross those out. And I'm left with super easy 1 and 8. This one shouldn't take you too long. I have 3 skills listed for you today because this is pretty simple. All right. You guys will be able to get this done pretty quick and move on. But I just like the element of the puzzle, so I thought I'd give it to you. All right. Have a great day.